how to put a screen shooter on a 211. Alright, first off what you're going to do is you're going to remove these acorn nuts. You should be able to loosen them up by hand. Don't get rid of them. Alright. Now, once you've done that, take and remove your screen cover. At this point, if you want to wipe it down, that's fine. You're just going to be setting it aside. Next up, you're going to want to either air blow or brush off your monitor. Then you're going to take the brackets and, whoop, there we go. They are labeled bottom, left, right. And I'm going to take this one and, whoop, there we go. Put them on the screws, and then for here, I'm going to take and put the brass nuts back down. Now this one is going to be really, really short, so if you get it, that's amazing, and if not, don't worry. It's not like a huge deal. It's just what can happen. Sometimes the screw's enough, and sometimes it isn't. Now, this top one is going to be a little different. What you have to do is you're going to take this tool that we sent you. It is a Torx head with a point in the middle, and you're going to undo the screw here, and you're going to undo this screw. Okay. Now you take these, you line them up here, you line up the other holes with the holes that the screws we just removed with security key came out. And then you take the security screw and you put it back. Bear with me, I apologize, I am doing this one-handed. There we go. Whoops. Alright, there we go. That's tight. And then, whoop, slide this down just a smidge. Oh. There we go. There we go. And now we screw this one in place. There we go. Now, make sure nobody can move too much. I'm just going to take this down. Now, you'll want to keep these brass nuts as there isn't room to, put them up here. And this one, for this unit, it doesn't have it, but your unit might be able to do it. Keep these screws because at any point you wish to reuse your monitor cover, you'll have those to put it back on. Now, you're going to pick up your screen shooter and you're going to align it with this and the slot here, and you're going to line it up and then you're going to push it over, and that, it's locked in. So then what you'll do, this foam is if you have a smaller foam that when you, bear with me here one moment. There we go. So this is where your phone is going to go. You're going to lay it down like this. As you can see, this screen down in there from the light. Now, if you put your phone in here and it's a little too small, just take this foam and lay your take the foam, lay your phone on it, and figure out exactly how much of this you need to cut off. If you want to cut out a piece so this goes around your phone, it's entirely up to you. Yeah, I'll just put that in there so it's safe. These are buttons that you loosen and you can bring over to hold down your phone, so it'll look something, well, just pretend the foam is the phone, and it'll look something like this. There. And then when you want to lift up your screen, you can go like this and look down in, and you're ready to go. Now, when you're removing this, very simple. Put this down, take your phone out of here, slide this way. Excuse me again. Pick up, set aside. Now, I do not suggest taking these brackets on and off all the time. Put them on, and then that's it. Just leave it there. And don't try to put the screen cover back on unless you're removing the brackets, because there's literally not enough of the screws here to hold it. Any other questions? Give us a call.